Today we have the iPad, just the iPad, not the iPad Pro or something. It's a very unusual video for me to film. We're gonna unbox that in a second because usually I just open up the camera and I just talk, but I thought, hey, my videos are about productivity, so why not talk about the iPad? Because the iPad, together with the iPad Pencil, is such a productivity hack. I mean, everybody should have that if you're about like productivity or if you're a student, but we'll get into that in a second. So let us just unbox this. Before I unbox it, I want to show it to you. Looks like this. You know, I didn't buy it off the Apple Store. That's why it's a bit dirty. Right and left. Here's the Apple Pencil, so you can see it. All right. So let me now unbox this beautiful little thing. I wanted to go, I had to spend a lot of time thinking about, do I want to get the iPad mini or the just regular iPad? Because, you know, I will need this for my studies, for the school I'm in. And Apple kind of shows in his ads like the iPad mini is kind of like is a super genius model for note taking, but it's actually way too small for note taking. So I just went with the regular iPad. Okay. Now the satisfying part comes up. Oh my God. Bismillah. I'm gonna unfold this. There's a beautiful Apple logo right here. It's so it's sliding, so I'm kind of careful right here. Let me see this. I hope you see this. It's in the camera. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Let me get this really careful. All right. Okay, so first of all, the screen is beautiful, just like the back. I went with the blue model because the blue model. No, I thought about buying pink, but then I thought about blue. I think I made the right choice. So yeah, beautiful logo, as always, and the screen. Yeah, good. What do we have next? Let me see. What do we have here? We have the designed by Apple. Let me be really careful here with the iPad. Let me put this right here, like this. Right, we have the designed by Apple in California, obviously. You know what, I'm gonna show you the iPad one more time, just in case the camera is kind of, you know, just in case. So here is the screen. From here, show it like this. And also kind of showing you the size of the iPad. Now, it's really light, so I can imagine when you kind of go with this, it's pretty light. If you want to buy the iPad for like note-taking or studying, I would definitely say buy the Apple Pen too, because we're going to go into that later. But let's see, we have the regular USB-C charging thing. I don't know how to call this thing. So yeah, nothing special here. And also the cable, right? That's basically it. Nothing more. Here are the instructions that I will not go through here because I think they're kind of uninteresting. So let me close this thing. Like this. And let's get to the Apple Pencil. Now, I have tried the Apple Pencil in the store where I bought this, where I bought the Apple Pen, and it was really intuitive. So I truly, to be completely honest, I didn't think that it could be possible to make it as intuitive as kind of writing. Now, first impression, let me unwrap this. It's a little wrap that you can unwrap here. Let me get this away. Okay. Yeah, this is the plug where you can put the USB-C cable in to charge it. Because I didn't go with the second generation pen because I'm not an artist or something. I don't really need it. So this is kind of, that was the right model for me because I just needed to take notes, right? It's obviously a really good design from Apple. I think I don't have to add that they really made a good job here. Perfect placement, and it's really smooth, like the surface is really smooth. See how this goes when I open the iPad. Yeah, now I just want to say, like, if you, is this magnetic? Yeah, it's magnetic. So you can stick it on the iPad and it's, yeah, really intuitive. But it doesn't charge because this model doesn't charge. But yeah, I'm gonna put this all together. Like, I want to open the iPad. Maybe I'm gonna film later. But in case if I don't, let me say a little bit about why I made the decision and why you should too if you are a student. I mean, an iPad is just so good. I mean, I just saw these videos, and all of my friends who are students had the iPads, and I was always working with paper, like kind of like a grandpa or something. But now I can use the iPad's organization, like digital organization, and at the same time have a really good pen that I can write with. So it combines both, and it eliminates kind of like the disadvantages of paper. Yeah, I mean, I actually love paper. That's why I always wanted to take notes. Like, I just love working with paper, but when I saw how intuitive it is, writing on the iPad and just scribbling it away and lighting everything, it was really, really satisfying. So I'm really excited for this. Yeah, this was the unboxing. Maybe I'm going to shoot and show you some features. If I don't, then I want to say goodbye. As always, we'll see us in the next one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and my name is Tarkan. Subscribe for more videos, and as always, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.